Hello everyone, my name is Parvas Wagya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving problem number 13, Roman 2 integers. In that problem we have given a string array. In that array we have to find the Roman number and convert it into integer and return that. We have also given the table for Roman number symbol into values. So approach is to check that next value is, if next value is greater than the first value, then we have to remove that from final answer, and if it is greater than, if it is less than, then we have to add that in final answer. It will need three variables: final answer, and then one is value and one is next. So let's initialize value is equal answer. First of all we need answer, we have to return that ans at last, and we need only one for loop. Int I is equal to 0, the I is less than s dot size, and then I plus plus. Now we have to just check according to table, like if s of I is equal capital I, then we have to assign value as 1, and also first we have to initialize the value. Int value is equal to 0. And then we have to write else if condition. Else if condition s of I is equal capital V, then we have to use value as 5. Then for x, l, c, d, m, x, l, c, d, m. And at this part we have to assign value according to them: 50, 100, 500, 1000. Now also we need a one if condition that checks I plus 1 is less than s dot size or not, because we have to check value for the next index. If our current index is last index, then it will give nothing. So we also need one variable like value, but we will assign it as a next, initial value 0, and then copy that if and else if conditions. And then we have to change all I plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and at last part we have to check that if value is less than next, then we have to remove that from answer. And in else condition we have to write ans plus equal value. And so we are writing this in if condition where I plus 1 is less than size. If it is the last index, then we also need to add that in answer. So we also have to use that else condition at outside that if condition that we did, and at last we have to return that. Now check our result. Okay, we are checking the table IVXLCDM. Yes, 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500,000. Okay, the value, and then next. Okay, there is the mistake. We are assigning value. We have to assign next. And now let's check our result. So you can see it passes all the test cases. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.